Hello, this video is about consumer behavior at an advanced level. I have personally focused the video with respect to the competitive examination for the masters, and also in some of the PhD level entrances this will also be useful. Okay, let's start with some of the concepts which I as a student and most of the students are having a lot of problem or had a problem or will have a problem. Okay, the first basic part I will start with indirect utility function. Now this IUF is really important. What is indirect utility function? For example, in general the utility is based on what? The utility is based on the consumption, what you purchase. That's it. Now what happens if I tell you that I give you a utility level is prefixed and what is the income level you want? The mathematical formation of an utility indirect utility function is Px, Py and M. If these three are given, then we have to maximize the utility given what? The budget constraint, that is given sign now here, Pxx, Pyy less than equal to M, it is less than because some part may be saved by the consumer, okay, and that is equal to U of x prime y prime, and which can be rewritten as U of dx of Px, Py and M, and this is dy of Px, Py, Pm. Now this, if you still find it problematic, then I will give you some of the examples, mathematical functions that will be really helpful for you. Okay, because this kind of theoretical format sometimes a bit problematic when you are doing it for the first time. And in this video I will talk about the Roy's identity also, which is a very, very important topic now for competitive examinations. Okay, let me start with a question. This question is based on an idea that is called, a question, let me write the question, that is U of x equal to maximum of x1 comma 3x2. So the person chooses x1 or 3x2, which one ever is maximum, and they have asked. Now this is the kind of question you can see in ISI entrances. This is the INFO question you can see in DSE entrances as well. Okay, so find the Marshallian and IUF indirect utility function for fixed P2 and M. So what is fixed? Okay, for fixed P2 and M. Okay, now here if we try to solve the question, the utility function, it's simply this type of function is called a convex function. So it's a convex function, and inspection of the indifference curve. So the indifference curve, there will be whenever you see the maximum and minimum, there is a corner solution. Now what is this a corner solution? For example, this is your budget line, and we know the equilibrium occurs where the indifference curve is tangent to the budget line. But what happens if the indifference curve is tangent but at a corner, this corner or this corner? So these are the points what we consider as a corner solution. So what will be the corner solutions in this case? M by P1 comma 0 and 0 comma M by P2. Remember that whenever the function is maximum or minimum, they don't give you a direct function like yu equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. You have to solve it like this. Okay, please let me change the color. Okay, so here it is first of all it is a convex function and we are solving it like this. So simply for the person, the Marshallian function or demand function will be x of p comma n, okay, that is m by p1 comma 0 when price of 2 greater than 3p1, because he is purchasing 3 times of the good 2 than good 1, This one is m by p1 comma m by p1 comma 0 comma 0 comma m by p2 if p2 equal to 3p1 and 0 comma m by p2 if p2 less than 3p1. That's it. So these are the things we need to consider for the direct Marshallian demand function. Now when it comes to indirect utility function, in case of an indirect IUF, it is the pattern if you follow the very basic step which I have written. So we have kept the utility fixed with respect to the budget line. We have maximized the structure. Okay. So the format is very important. Please remember the format, how I am writing. The indirect utility considered is as V, as PM. M is the income into maximum value of 1 by P1, 3 by P2. Why this 1 and 3? Because of 3 times it is being purchased. That's why. Okay. So now our first question is done with respect to this idea. Now I will be focusing on another competitive level question. This is on relatively on a same base structure. That is, let utility be u of x, okay, and x1 minus e to the power minus x2. This is given. U of x, x1 e to the power x2 for the prices p is much higher than 0 and income greater than 0. Solve the consumer utility maximization problem. Solve consumer utility maximization problem. And what they have also asked is obtain both the Marshallian demand and indirect utility function. Obtain the Marshallian demand plus IUF. Okay. And we'll also check the possibility of corner solution as well. Let's do it. Okay. So let us form, as it is a consumer utility maximization, so the Lagrangian will be there. So let the Lagrangian be x1, the utility function, e to the power minus x2. As they haven't provided the budget line, so we will assume it as a normal budget line, m equal to p1 x1 plus p2 x2. And here it is mu1 x1, mu2 x2. That's it. That is our Lagrangian formation. Now here this yields a first order condition, the first order, that is del L, del x1 and del L, del x2. This will give you the first order conditions. You can solve it. That will finally give you lambda p1 equal to 1 plus mu1 and lambda p2 equal to e to the power minus x2 plus p2. So there are 3 cases to consider where x1 equal to case 1, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to m by p2, that is greater than 0 again. So mu2 equal to 0. By complementary slackness theorem, mu2 equal to 0 by this you will see in our parallel video, complementary slackness theorem. Okay, so from this, from the Lagrangian, lambda will come minus m by p2 by p2, and also we get 1 lambda p1 by p2. That's it. So if you just put it here, xp of m, the Marshallian functions, 0 m by p2. Okay, so he's not purchasing anything of the good one. when P1 is greater than equal to P2, exp m by 2 is actually e to the power m by P2. Next is, you will purchase P log of P1 minus P1 by P2 by P1 log of P1 by P2, and last one is m by P1 comma 0. So these are the things. This will happen when if P2, and this will happen if P2 simply greater than equal to P1. That's it. And remember that I've also asked you that how to find the indirect utility function in this case. So simply the IUF is, the indirect utility function is V of Pm expectation of minus m by P2. This is the same way, m minus P2 ln P1 by P2 plus P2 whole divided by P1 and P1 plus m by P1. And these conditions are same as above. So that's it. This is the way to solve some of the very tough questions on indirect utility function. In the next video we will solve some more.